Stable CU, Electrical 6F, SMT Workshop, Renovation Log. Wall painting, ventilation duct installation, and meter mounting proceed in alternating phases. The ventilation network is in place, and power distribution facilities are completed. Floor treatment begins. Application of anti-static primer to build the conductive base layer. Laying of conductive copper foil to form an equipotential grounding grid. The grid spacing is strictly controlled within 2 meters, with intersections fixed using conductive adhesive, creating an orderly channel for static discharge. Covering with anti-static PVC panels, laid and compacted one by one to form a complete, continuous static dissipative surface. V-grooves are cut at the panel seams. Hot melt welding is performed using PVC welding rods. Simultaneous outdoor construction. Ground trenches are excavated along the building's side, and 3 copper-clad steel vertical grounding electrodes are buried to a depth of over 3 meters. Galvanized flat steel serves as the grounding bus, converging the grounding down conductors from the 4th to 6th floors into the main grounding network. Physical resistance reducing agents are backfilled and tamped solid. Grounding resistance test. The meter reads 6 ohms, far lower than the industry standard of 10 ohms. 2 sets of 24-hour constant temperature and humidity industrial air conditioners are installed in the raw material storage area to ensure the storage stability of precision electronic components. DIP Plug-in Workshop. SMT Placement Workshop. A Class 100,000 SMT Cleanroom is hereby completed. From 0 to 1, every step at Stable CU Electrical echoes